In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can group dates in a pivot table in Excel with ease. So here I have a pivot table of revenue by region and by products. But let's just say I want to show this data as quarterly, for example, instead of monthly. So first step is to go to raw data and make sure that the month column that you're using is an actual value for a month versus a text. Once you've made sure that is the case, then go to pivot table and just right click on one of the dates. And from here, you can click on Group, where after clicking on Group, you should see these options where you can group by seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, years, and quarters as available. Now, because my data is monthly, I can really only group this by quarters or years. But I'm going to click on quarters right here and then click OK. And as you can see, now my data is grouped by quarters. And to ungroup this, I can highlight the data, right click, then click on ungroup, and the data will then be ungrouped. I can also expand the field to see it by monthly if I'd like to. That said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.